house since last 45 years. I'm an entrepreneur. We require a lift because our bedroom is on the second floor and our drawing room and everything is on the ground floor. So we have to commute up and down all the time. It becomes difficult because of the knee issues and everything. I spoke to various companies, but at the end of the day, I found Nibav really convincing. That's why I went ahead with Nibav. Moreover, we had a lot of space issue there, but only Nibav suited me more. I think the first time I saw Nibav was on a video Instagram reel, and that's how I contacted them, and that's how they moved forward.